Good morning. Today we are going to learn about aseptic area. What exactly is aseptic area? How to design that? What are the various aspects we are going to learn in aseptic area? This module is developed by Prashant Nayak, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, NGSM Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Mangalore. Coming to the learning objectives, we are going to deal with introduction to aseptic area, designing of aseptic area, surfacing materials what are required, and services which are provided. So coming to the topic, introduction. Aseptic area or aseptic techniques are employed to provide protection to the ophthalmic parental products by preventing the entry of microbial and particulate contamination. Prevention of microbial contamination is also required to remove pyrogens and toxic bacterial products. Terminally sterilized products, products sealed in container and then sterilized, are prepared in clean areas, while products not terminally sterilized are prepared under aseptic condition using sterile materials or sterilized by filtration before being packed in sterile containers. Such aseptic procedures are formulated or prepared in an aseptic area, which is a room within a clean area designed, constructed, and serviced and used for controlling and prevention microbial contamination of the products. Like sterile medical products, vaccine contain dead organisms. Microbial extract, inactivated viruses are also filled in aseptic area, while live and attenuated vaccines are filled in separate area. The goal of any facility is to design such an aseptic area or sterile environment which provides a controlled environment so that the entry of viable, microbial, and non viable particles contamination can be minimized. A controlled environment prevents cross contamination of compounded sterile preparations. To reduce the contamination related risk, all compounding should be done with primary engineering controls like laminar airflow hood. Now, how to design an aseptic area? What exactly is a design of an aseptic area? As you can see in the figure, which is taken from the reference given below, NK Jain textbook. Designing of aseptic area. First, there should be an airlock system from the door. Door should be built with the negative pressure. After the airlock system, the preparation room is been there or compounding area where we really prepare the things. Then aseptic filling area is the next, which is connected to quarantine area. The things are kept in quarantine to see whether any growth is been observed. Otherwise, it is gone to packaging. At the same time, in the aseptic area, whatever materials are used will be sterilized after the use and before the use. After sterilization, in the preparation, there are some things which has to be cleaned, and all utensils will be sterilized and cleaned. So, in the cleanup area, we'll go to the preparation area. Airlock office will contain a storeroom. The storeroom will give the things to the cleanup area. Cleanup area will go to the preparation room. Preparation, after the preparation, everything, whatever is done unsterile will be going to sterilization area. At the same time, preparation will go to the aseptic filling area and then quarantine area, which finally product is been packed and finished. After that, we'll go to a quality control area and storage and shipment, which has been next to it. So this is the exact design. The sterile production unit within the hospital or the factory should be located separately. Sterile unit of production should be buffered. That is, authorized personnel should not gain access to the unit. So this is exactly the design of an aseptic area. Aseptic area or the unit is designed to carry out each stage of production separately. The unit should also ensure a safe and organized workflow so that the need of personnel for personals to move around the clean room is minimized. The unit is built and the equipment is positioned in such a manner that the product remains protected from contamination. The layout of aseptic area should be such that cleaning can be done easily and dust accumulation can also be reduced. Arrangement should be such that the risk of cross contamination of one product or material with another is reduced. Filling area should be adjacent to the compounding area where the persons assemble and prepare material utilized by the staff in the filling area. Designing and construction. Only authorized person should gain access to the clean area. An aseptic filling area, person entering the clean room by passing through the changing rooms where they put on and remove the clean room uniform. A passover bench, that is a crossover bench across the changing room for the physical barrier of different areas for changing by personnel. Specific precautions are taken clean and aseptic filling areas from getting contaminated while materials have been passed through air blocks or hatchways. Thus, sterilizers and entry ports are fitted with double sided doors, which are interlocked to prevent stimulation opening of both the doors. Surfacing material. What exactly is the surfacing material? The floor walls, cleaning surface of the cleaning room should be smooth and impervious and unbroken to reduce the release of accumulation of contaminated particles and organisms. Surface material is such that it can withstand the effect of cleansing agent and disinfectants. The ceilings are scaled so that the contamination do not enter from the space above them. Uncleanable recesses should be avoided within the cleaning rooms to minimize the accumulation of contaminating particles. Thus, the wall floor junction should be covered. Minimum shelves, ledges, cupboards, and equipment should be present, should be very minimal. No opening and sealed windows present to prevent the entry of contamination. Now, what are the services which are provided? The pipe liquid gases entering the clean room should be filtered first, ensuring that the liquid or gas at the work position is as clean as the air in the clean room. The position of pipe ducts should be such that they can be easily cleaned. Other fittings like fuse boxes, switch panels should be outside the clean rooms. Sinks and drains should be present in the area where aseptic procedure are carried out, within the clean room areas. There should nowhere be present in the complete unit. The areas have sinks and drains should be designed, positioned, and maintained such that the risk of microbial contamination is reduced. Therefore, easily cleanable traps installed with electrically heated disinfectant devices. A limited number of doors and ports should be present for the entry of personnel and material respectively. Entry doors should be self-closing to allow easy movement of the personnel. Airlock doors, walls. Through the walls, autoclaves and dry heat sterilization should have interlocked door to prevent stimulation opening of both the doors. All the doors should have an alarm system which should ring when more than one door are being opened. Lights in clean room should be fitted with the ceiling so that dust accumulation reduces and also the airflow pattern within the room is not disturbed. The equipment in clean rooms should be positioned such that the accumulation of particles and microbial contamination does not occur. So that's all for today. To summarize the things, what we have learnt is we have learnt what exactly is the aseptic area, how to design an aseptic area, how to make a layout of the aseptic area, then what are the services provided, what are the precautions to be taken. So in detail we have studied what is the aseptic area. For the references we can have N.K. Jain and Manjuvarna R. Singh, a textbook of microbiology which is given by them. That's all for now. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.